Your vehicle has a timing chain assembly. Its job is to keep the overhead valves working in proper time as the engine spins. The assembly consists of timing chain itself and tensioning guides. Under some conditions, the timing chain assembly can wear prematurely and must be replaced. The vehicle will simply not run if the timing chain is broken or if it's not at the proper tension. If the timing chain assembly fails while the engine is running, there could be severe engine damage. Replacing an excessively worn timing chain assembly will keep your engine performing well and avoid expensive repairs later.